Part of any basic video camera package is support, and by that I mean you should probably at the very least own a very good, well-made fluid head tripod. And here at Vistek, we sell virtually every major brand of fluid head tripods, but out of that pack, one of my favorites always tends to be Camgear. They're virtually as good as a Satchler at a fraction of the cost. Today I want to introduce to you a new product from them, and that is the Mark IV fluid head tripod. It's perfect for lightweight camcorders, DSLRs, or mirrorless setups. Whether or not you're familiar with the earlier versions of this product, let me walk you through what's new with the Mark IV, starting from the bottom and working our way up. The new leg lock design features a higher tensile strength lock bolt and new metal brake pads. We now have a new removable mid-level spreader versus a fixed one with a more robust design. And for those who want a ground level spreader, that is now available as an additional accessory. Overall, we have a new and greater torsional stiffness at the bowl and upper leg braces for increased system rigidity. On the ground, we have new dual spikes for greater control under any conditions, and we also have removable rubber feet for greater stability. Moving up to the head, we now have a new Manfrotto style camera sliding plate which will allow you to work across multiple platforms. The head is composed of new composite material for greater toughness. And finally, there is a new stainless steel inner chamber for increased mechanical control accuracy and greater system robustness. This is very much akin to what we see in their larger production camera heads. Fluid head tripods are the workhorse of our industry, and they take a whole lot of abuse, and we expect them to perform very well every single time. And there's no question to me that the Mark IV is indeed a very robust and reliable fluid head. This bad boy is available starting August 2021. If you want more information, you know where to find us, vistek.ca. In the meantime, go out there everyone, have some fun, and happy shooting.